and Gautam for technical support, journeying with us with the product development. Vivekanand ji said, arise and awake. I would request arise, awake, and listen, because this is product with a lot of energy and excitement. So I hand it over to Sukumar to come out with. We've brought a whole lot of knowledge into 3 slides. That was more a humongous task than the development of the product itself. And that's what I would request Uday to please give us more time next time.
I'm glad we've supported some innovation.
Yeah, thank you very much. Yeah, before I start, I would like to thank Riffstream as well as Accelerator India for giving us an opportunity to present our products. Like every country has peculiar problems, our country also has a peculiar problem on power distribution. It is linked up to the political situations. It becomes an election mandate where the government commits to give powers to agriculture, and they have innumerable obstacles and problems. They have inability to meet their mandate. Yeah, go ahead. See, demand for electricity is outpacing the supply generation. Now, with the IT boom, the population of middle class has gone very high, but too from semi-urban and the rural areas. The people are bringing comfort to their life. So their demand for electricity, like washing machine, air conditioners, all automation, demand is going day by day. It is the duty of our country to provide the basic facility. Yeah. Another biggest problem we have is the theft and the farmer subsidies and grid inefficiency intensifies the issue. See, today the farmers have been given free or the subsidies. This many times, though in fact in the Tamil Nadu government made an appeal to the farmers not to use the pumps during the peak hours. In a distribution transformer where primary being delta and secondary being star, it is impossible to give single phase by disconnecting any one phase on the HV line, either 1 or 2. So many electricity boards, they tried many tactics, but nothing worked. So in the process, the grid is really suffering and the consumer also suffers a lot. So there is an urgent need to smoothen out these peak load times, thus reduce outages. Mr. Bansal, he explained the problems what we are really facing. Today, though the farmers have been given the priorities, but the farmers is the worst affected. 14 to 16 hours is the blackout. Every rural area, the basic requirement like mobile chargers and internet connectivity, everything is there, but there is no power. Yes. So keeping this in mind, we have tried to contribute to whatever the knowledge we have towards creating a smart power solution to the grid. Now, peak power load management to achieve the grid discipline and remote isolation of faulty feeders through high-speed circuit breakers. This system has got a built-in circuit breakers which will clear the fault within 10 milliseconds from the time you give a command. High-level robustness and flexibility at a low price point. Next slide. So this is the switch. Basically, this switch receives 3-phase supply from the mains, and it can give single phase in all the 3 lines if you command 1 phase. So without disturbing the existing distribution system, you can supply single phase power for 24 hours. You select Y phase, it locks onto Y phase. You select B phase, it locks onto B phase. You select 3 phase, it locks onto 3 phase. It could be R, it could be Y, it could be B. Dynamically controlled. Well, this is basically, then it can switch off. So this is basically a hardware which is SCADA compatible, or it can be all communication devices. I think all of you are more experienced and experts in that line.